Day 12 of vlogging every day till I get a girlfriend. I got off work early today. I've been working 7 days a week for the past like 3 months, so I never had a chance to use my cash, so my wallet was full with cash, so I had to get rid of it, so we decided to go shopping. My dating coach told me goes like smart guy, so I decided to get a pair of glasses. I asked this beautiful lady if I look smart and she said cool, so I bought them. I had no idea how expensive these glasses were, but I just had enough cash, so I was able to spend all my money in one purchase, so it was nice and easy. Told them I didn't need all these boxes and cases and bags and shit, but they still gave me. But ladies, let me know how smart I look. Went back to the shop and had to get on a quick call with my students from my mentorship program. Then I went back home.